This is the exact video I generated using Meta AI. For free, no watermark, full resolution. But here's the weird part. A few days ago, Meta AI's video generator suddenly disappeared from the app. No warning, no announcement. Most people assumed Meta had removed it completely. So instead of guessing, I spent hours breaking it, testing it, and comparing every feature from scratch. And not only did I find where Meta secretly moved it, I also discovered one download method that completely removes the watermark. Almost every tutorial I've seen misses this step, so before you waste time testing it yourself, let me show you exactly what actually works. So yes, Meta AI video generator is back. It's just no longer inside the Meta AI app, and that's exactly what confused almost everyone. After testing it myself, I found that Meta has moved the entire experience to a separate standalone platform. Setup took me less than a minute. You can sign in with any email or simply continue with your Facebook or Instagram account. Within seconds, I was inside a clean dashboard with everything in one place. I tested every feature before recording this video, so instead of guessing what's changed, you're seeing exactly what works today. Let's start with the thing you actually came here for: video generation. There are two different ways to use it. The first is text to video. Just describe your scene, choose your resolution, and generate. The second option lets you upload your own images. You can upload up to 12 PNG, JPG, or WebP images, each up to 10 megabytes, then animate them using start and end frame controls. I tested this using my own AI-generated images and compared the motion with a couple of other free AI video tools I normally use. The difference was obvious immediately after the first render finished. Instead of the strange shaking and random glitches you often see from free generators, the camera movement felt much more natural. That's when my opinion about this tool started changing. Generation speed was solid too. I timed multiple generations, and the waiting time stayed consistent. No endless 10-minute queues, no unexpected delays. At that point, I honestly thought I'd seen everything this platform had to offer. Then I decided to test the other tools built into the same dashboard. There's also an image generator right inside it. I tested portraits, cinematic scenes, product shots, and fantasy artwork. Every prompt returned 4 image variations within seconds, and even after heavy testing, I never hit a credit limit. For a free tool, that was surprisingly good. Now, before I show you the download trick that completely changed the result, there's one more feature worth testing: lip sync. This lets you take a generated clip and match it to speech or audio you provide. I tested it with a short script, just to see how accurate the mouth movement would actually be. It wasn't perfect on every frame, but for a free built-in feature, the sync was close enough that most viewers wouldn't notice unless they were looking for it. If you're someone who wants talking avatar-style content, this could save you from paying for a dedicated lip sync tool altogether. This is the part almost nobody explains properly, and it's the entire reason I decided to make this video. When you download your video using the normal download button, 3 dots, download, the result comes out with a watermark. At first I thought maybe it was random, so I tested again. Watermark. Tried again. Watermark. Generated a completely different video. Still a watermark. I repeated the process over and over until I was sure. Every direct download gave me the exact same result. Then I noticed something I wasn't expecting. And this is where my test took a completely different turn. Instead of pressing download, I copied the video's link, opened it in a new browser tab, then downloaded it from there instead. Same video, same settings, same generation, completely different result, no watermark. I verified the result across multiple downloads just to make sure it wasn't a lucky glitch. Every direct download had a watermark. Every download from the new browser tab came out completely clean. That one extra step is literally the difference between a video you can actually publish and one you probably won't want to use. If this tip just saved you from wasting time trying to figure it out yourself, consider subscribing. I test these AI tools before recommending them, so you don't have to spend hours discovering these little details on your own. So here's my honest take after actually using this for a few hours, not just skimming through it once. The good side: it's genuinely free, the image quality is strong, and the video motion is smoother than most free AI video generators I've tested recently. I didn't hit a credit wall even after pushing it repeatedly. The catch? This feels like it's still in an early, unpolished stage. The watermark behavior on direct downloads isn't clearly explained anywhere. Lip sync is decent, but not flawless. And since Meta already pulled this feature once without warning, there's no guarantee this exact setup stays the same next month. If you're already paying for premium AI video tools, this probably won't replace them. But if you're looking for a free option, it's surprisingly capable. If you're a solo creator who needs quick, free AI clips for shorts, faceless content, or testing ideas before committing to a paid tool, this is worth using right now while it's free. If you need guaranteed consistency for client work or a long-term production pipeline, I'd treat this as a bonus tool, not your only one. That's my honest verdict, based on actually testing it, not just reading about it. Meta has been changing these AI tools incredibly fast, and there's no guarantee this workflow will stay exactly the same. If they update it again, or quietly change something else, I'll test it first and share what actually works before you waste your own time. So if Meta AI disappeared from your app too, let me know in the comments. And subscribe if you like real AI testing before spending your own time or money.